the corner, and all I know is that I don't feel safe. I feel the tapping on my shoulder. I turn around in an alarming state, but am I losing my mind? I really think so. Not a creature inside. What you don't know is that my breathing gets faster, and so does my heartbeat. I wish this was over. I wish that this was a dream, but I created a monster, a hell within my head. Nowhere to go. I'm out on my own. Oh, I'm so scared. I created a monster, a beast inside my brain. Nowhere to go. I'm out on my own. My mind impaired. Awake me from my nightmare. Wait, something doesn't feel right. No, something seems wrong. And I've been feeling this way for far too long. As my vision gets blurred, my skin's getting colder. Remove the gag and step away. He's suffocating. You pull the strings day after day. That's why he needs a break from you, bitch. Your ass a do a break from you, bitch. Your ass is through. Oh, I hope he hears these words. Maybe this time he will learn. You should escape, skip down. No more excuses. Abandon ship or drown. No more excuses. Do you even have a plan of attack? A way to react? Oh no, you should escape, skip down. You're better on your own. Okay, we get it. Come on in, boy, said the skeletons sitting by her closet door. Dirty secrets, empty memories, and broken hearts across the floor. I was knocked out, heels overhead, so you dragged me by my feet to a ghost town where you buried me. No wonder no one heard my screams. Love so alive, but it died in its sleep. And now that it's dead, I live in your head, and I will haunt your fucking dreams. No one will love you like